I've been walking under rainbows too long to tell. You keep walking down mean streets, my street angel. I try to bring you in out of the cold, but street angels live on the street, and they always will. Street angels aren't like anyone you know. They do what they want, and they go where they go. They may tell you that you hold the world in your hands, but they always give it back. They always give it back. No amount of crying changes your mind. No amount of praying brings you inside. I know that you love me and that you always will. You just stand outside and call to me, my sweet street angel. A Charles Dickens character with your top hat and your scarf. Will you pull me through the rainbow? I thought you'd start, but you didn't. You turned around, you went back to the children and the music and the people that you love. I can't help but wonder if every once in a while you remember the girl when you were a homeless angel that drove you wild, strange and elusive. No amount of crying changes your mind. No amount of praying brings you inside. I know that you love me and that you always will. You just stand outside and call to me, my sweet street angel. So I ended it all for the both of us. I fell down the stairs, a broken rag doll. But you never knew, you just thought I went away. Nothing more to hope for, but you don't hear voices anymore.